Yeah, I want to try to adopt this guy. That's my goal. Get an adoption. Play c6. They're just vibing. I was worried for a second too. Yeah. Okay, big pressure here. Classic mini triangle formation. You are such a bully. I know. Tell me about it, dude. Tell me about it, dude. It was e5. I'm gonna go knight e6 and maybe knight f5 here. Maybe it's an idea. Did you guys know Tristan Tate commented on Anamaya? Yeah, I saw that already. Of course, I played this opening like garbage, which I kind of maybe hung a pawn as well, but whatever. Let's go here. I don't know why I did this, by the way. What the heck was this? Oh, come on, you gotta move. I guess queen b3. Here. Be very careful I do this, because I've completely bungled this. I think I have knight f6 though. Yes, I've got knight f6 and now I'm safe. Ooh, that was bad. I should be safe now though, because now if he loses the extra pawn, I think I'm okay. Yeah, I think I'm okay here. See what he does. He's thinking for a long time here. It goes d7. Just a free pawn. He's got g7. What are you doing? Or can I go knight h? I'm gonna have to try this with rook c8. I think the knight's getting trapped here, but I'm not 100% sure. It's so stupid of me to do that. So stupid. Okay. Goes h3, which to me just looks like a bad move. I don't know why you would ever play h3, because now I just go f6 and now I'm fine. Very strange move for my opponent. Very, very strange move. Now I think I'm fine. Maybe not. So go here. I can just take and run with the king up to e7. Go here. Still guarding everything. This knight holds all the juice. I can always go f5 if I want to. I think b5 is a move. Or I can just play normal, like bishop e7. Fridge am I doing? Yeah, this is so garbage from me. I'll go here. I want to go b6 and kick the knight, maybe. Go f5, kick the knight out. Close the diagonal down. Very important that I do that too. Take and play h5. I don't want to. Go here, bishop c7 maybe. I don't want to really go b. I've got to move. You just got to move. Castle, just move. Gotta move. Gotta move. You gotta move. Pick up the speed. Pick up the speed. Pick up the speed. Dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands. Dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands. Oh, crud. What was that? Oh, I had b5 too. I might win though. The knight's dead. Knight's dead, good. Ooh, close. Let's keep going.